You're watching Tap Tech, the place where tech meets real talk. Here we dive into the latest gadgets, break them down, and see if they are really worth your money. Today we're going to take a closer look at the Antigravity A1 drone, a device that has been getting a lot of attention for pushing boundaries in aerial technology. When you hear the name Antigravity A1, it almost sounds futuristic, and honestly, that's exactly what this drone feels like. It's built to stand out in a crowded drone market, not just by offering something different, but by promising to give users a flying experience that feels smoother, smarter, and more intuitive. Before we dive into the details, let's get into what this drone is actually packing under the hood. The Antigravity A1 comes with a lightweight but durable frame, designed using advanced composite materials. This makes it strong enough to handle high winds while staying portable for everyday use. It's equipped with a powerful propulsion system that not only extends flight time but also delivers greater stability. The drone features a high-resolution 8K camera with a wide-angle lens, supported by a 3-axis gimbal stabilization system, ensuring buttery-smooth footage even during aggressive movements or windy conditions. On top of that, it supports advanced obstacle avoidance technology powered by AI sensors that map the environment in real time. When it comes to design and build quality, the Antigravity A1 looks futuristic but also practical. It has a sleek, aerodynamic body that's been optimized for both performance and portability. The arms fold in neatly, making it easy to carry in a backpack, and the build feels premium in the hand. It doesn't give off a cheap plastic vibe, which is a good sign if you're investing in a high-end drone. Small details like LED indicators, a well-thought-out controller, and a refined finish make the overall design stand out. Now, the display experience here is tied closely with its companion app and controller. The app interface gives you a clean and responsive view from the camera feed, with minimal lag thanks to the improved transmission technology. It supports high-resolution live streaming, so what you see on your phone or tablet is nearly identical to what the drone is capturing. This makes framing shots easier and gives creators more confidence while flying. Performance is where the Antigravity A1 really makes its mark. The drone can reach impressive speeds while maintaining stability. It's agile, quick to respond, and offers smooth transitions when shifting directions. The upgraded flight system allows it to hover steadily even in challenging conditions. This is not just a drone for beginners but also for enthusiasts who want professional-level performance. The A1 also introduces a smart autopilot mode where you can pre-program routes, letting the drone fly seamlessly while you focus entirely on capturing the content. In terms of software and features, the Antigravity A1 is loaded. You get intelligent tracking, which can lock onto a subject and follow it with precision. There's a waypoint navigation system, gesture control, cinematic shooting modes, and even AI-powered obstacle sensing that can adapt mid-flight. One of the biggest highlights is the autonomous return-to-home feature, which works more intelligently than older models by identifying the safest path back, even in complex environments. Battery life is another strong point. The Antigravity A1 offers up to 45 minutes of flight time on a single charge, which is above average compared to many other drones in its class. Charging is fast, and the batteries are modular, so carrying spares is convenient. For creators who don't want their workflow interrupted, this is a big plus. If you're into gaming-like flight experiences or creative content creation, this drone delivers. It can handle advanced maneuvers without losing stability, making it fun to fly even for experienced pilots. For creators, the high-quality 8K video recording, slow-motion capabilities, HDR support, and intelligent shooting modes make it a powerhouse tool for aerial cinematography. The audio side isn't a major focus here since drones are naturally loud, but the A1 does support real-time audio recording through the app if you want to add voiceovers or environmental sound captured via your phone. That makes editing easier later. Connectivity is another area where the Antigravity A1 shines. With long-range Mission capabilities: it maintains a clear connection up to 15 kilometers. It supports GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo for more accurate positioning, and the controller itself feels ergonomic with smooth joystick response. The drone also integrates easily with editing software through its app, making transferring and processing footage a seamless process. Now, let's talk about price and value. The Antigravity A1 is not a budget drone. It's positioned in the premium category, targeting enthusiasts, professionals, and creators who want something reliable and advanced. While it may cost more than entry-level drones, the combination of performance, camera quality, build, and smart features gives it a strong value proposition. Every device has its pros and cons, and the A1 is no different. On the plus side, you're getting a futuristic design, excellent build quality, stunning 8K footage, intelligent features, long battery life, and professional-level performance. On the downside, it's priced higher than most consumer drones, and with all the advanced features, it may feel overwhelming for absolute beginners. Also, while portable, it's still not as compact as ultra-mini drones, so keep that in mind if portability is your top priority. In the end, the Antigravity A1 drone is a statement product. It's not just about flying for fun, it's about capturing the world from above in a way that feels cinematic and professional. If you're serious about aerial photography or content creation, this drone deserves a spot on your radar. It blends design, performance, and intelligence into one complete package, making it one of the most exciting drones to launch in recent times. This was our full review of the Antigravity A1 drone here on TapTech, where we bring you the truth about the latest gadgets. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more deep dives into the tech that shapes our future.